Hey guys, this is Farz and I am here with another new video, and in this video I'll talk about this beautiful toy. Tourbox sent me this to test it out and I have been using this for about 5 days and it feels really good. Okay, so let's see what it is and how it works. Mainly, Tourbox is a controller for the creators. The idea is to replace the keyboard and make your life easier and faster. You don't need to memorize all the shortcuts of keyboard. You can do this by just single click using this beautiful toy. And again, every option is fully customizable. Okay, now let's take a look at the box. It comes with a beautiful black box. Let's jump into the inside of the box. So this is it. So at first you will find some instruction books. Actually, you don't need to read all these things because it's very easy to use. So you don't need this. And then you will find this little black box. Okay, let's open it, and this is the controller itself. So this is your simple, beautiful toy. It has got some good weight to it. Yeah, it's solid, it's compact with a matte black look, which is very beautiful. It feels nice to hand actually, and it also has this little rubber fit. Maybe it is just for the grip, and let's see. Look at this. It's very beautiful and it's solid. So this is your controller, and then you will find another little pouch, and here, okay, let's open it. You will find the USB cable. So it's a very easy to use, just plug and play system. Look at this. Let's connect to the toy. So it's a very simple. After connecting with your PC or laptop, you need to install their software. You will get the software on their website. So this is their website. I also put the link on the description. Then go to the downloads, and here you will find two options, software and presets. Just go to the software option. And download your version. If you using Mac, then download the Mac version. If you use the Windows version, then just download the Windows version and just install it. After install, you will find this interface. Okay, at a first glance you may think it's complicated, but actually it's quite simple. It's really simple, and I love this interface. According to your operation, like a click of the button on the Tourbox, the software interface will jump to the corresponding places. Okay, let's see the example. For example, like I want to know about this button. What is this for? Just click on this and look at this. Okay, let's do it again. Just click on this again and look at this. This button is they called it C1. Here you will find another preview. Look at this button I am pressing right now, C1, and this button is for the step backward. Okay, just release this one and press again this one. And look at this, they are called this C2, and this one is for the step forward. Okay, now I need to know about this one. Just look at this. They call it the dial. Look at this. Here is the interface. Look at this. They call it the dial, and it is for adjust selected parameter, right? Okay, and then this knob is for decrease brush or increase brush size. So it's very easy. Let's click on this tall button, and look at this, it is used for the alter button. So it's very easy to find. Okay, now let's see how to customize all these buttons. Okay, so just click the button you want to customize. Okay, let's try with this one. So they say that this button is for step backward, but you don't want to use it for step backward, but you want this for maybe the selecting the brush tool. So just click on this one, double click on this, and here you will find all the options. Look at this, you can change for anything: rulers, zoom in, zoom out, deselect, everything. Look at this, I said I want to select this for selecting the brush tool, right? So just click on the B and look at this brush tool. If just select the brush tool and press OK, it's done. I don't want it right now, so I have customized some button like this. Okay, let's press this one. It works for shape, but if you click this twice, then it will create new layer. I have customized this for my own, and then I customize some more button that I use frequently. Like I need a button for a move tool because I frequently use the move tool. So for this I select this one, I customize this one for selecting the move tool. Look at this, it is for move tool, and this one for healing brush tool, this one for the brush tool. Okay, and then as I love to color grade, I need a button for the camera raw, and I also customize this. Just click this, tap this one, not like this, just tap this one and it will open on camera raw. Again, I need a one button for merging all the layers into a single layer, and if you want to do it on the keyboard, you need to press Shift plus Ctrl plus Alt plus E. Can you imagine how many buttons? But you can customize this in the Tourbox just for one button, and I made this one for this button. Just click on this and look at this, merge all layers to a new one. Just click on this. You can save your file. Just click this twice. Look at this. If you click on this and look at this, it will save your photo. So it's very easy. And then come into the another topics, like come into this part, and here you will find the preset list. Now I am working with the Photoshop preset. There is a Lightroom preset, there is a Premiere Pro preset, there is a Premiere Color preset. So you can use the preset, you can create your own preset by clicking on this plus icon, and also here is just for Photoshop, Lightroom and Premiere Pro, but you can use this toy in many software like Premiere Pro, After Effects, Affinity Pro, and also the Capture one. It offers you the preset of lots of software. You need to just go to their website, download, and here you will find all the presets. Let's have a look. Okay, look at this, look at the softwares: Photoshop, Lightroom, Affinity Pro, Capture One, Chrome, Illustrator, PowerPoint, everything. And also they have the preset for camera raw. So just click on this and download from here. Look at this. If I click on the Lightroom, look at this, these are the preset for the Lightroom. You can easily download and use on this one. So this is all the theory parts. Let's jump into the practical one and let's see how it works on the field. Okay, now let's see how it works on the field. Okay, let's bring this here. So this is the indicator. You can see this is the indicator for this button. So this one is for move, selecting the move tool, this one is for healing brush tool, this one is for brush tool, and this one is for stamp tool. Okay, this is the picture. Right now I want to create a new layer, and then I want to use the healing brush tool to retouch. So for the create new layer, I customize a button. Remember this button, if I click it twice and look at this, and it's create a new layer. And now I want to zoom in, so look at this, and you can just move your picture like this also, pressing this one and just drag like this. Okay, so zoom in, and now select the healing brush tool. Select the healing brush tool, I just need to press this one. So look at this, and look at this, the brush size is pretty big, so I can easily decrease it, and now just paint. Look at this. Let's zoom out and see what happens. So now I want to fit it on the screen. Just click on this wheel and look at this. It's very easy, right? Okay, now I want to color grade on camera raw, so wanna open it on camera raw. So before that, I need a new layer. I need to merge this background and layer 1 into a single layer. In the keyboard, I had to press Shift plus Ctrl plus Alt plus E. It's a pain, right? And now through this toolbox, I just click on this button and look at this. Look at this new layer. It's very easy. Now I'll open it on camera raw. Just click on this one and look at this. So now it's on camera raw. I have already shown it. So if you want, you can download that and it will give you more control in the camera raw. Okay, just right now see some basics. Look at this. By this wheel, you can easily control the every parameter. I'm not color grading in this picture right now. I'm just showing you the basics thing. It's very easy. You can increase the values just one by one. It's really nice. So look at this. This was the before and this is after. I can do it is very quickly, right? So this is it. You can easily use this Tourbox to increase your workflow. And again, if you do something wrong like this, if you paint something wrong, you can easily undo it by pressing this one. Again, so this is the step backward and a step forward. It's very easy. And now you want to save this right after the editing. Just click this one and this one. Look at this. Here you will find your save option. It's very easy. So this is it. I've shown you how to use it on the Photoshop. Again, you can use this on the other software like Premiere Pro, After Effects and lots of software. And they also have said that they will add more option, they will add more software in near future. And I am waiting for more option because this is already beautiful, and I hope after adding more options, more shortcuts, then it will help to save more time. So if you are a professional retoucher, professional artist, digital artist, if you have to do lots of editing, lots of retouch, then this is for you. It can buy your time, it can save your time and make your life a lot easier if you get used to it. Again, this one is budget friendly compared to the other console on the market. So if you want to make your life little easier, then this one is for you. If you want to buy this, I have put a link on the description. Go there and grab some discount and also the free shipping. So this is it. This is all about the Tourbox. I hope you love this video. If you did, hit the like button, leave your comments and don't forget to subscribe.